Hi all, welcome back channel. Been thought I'd go in a little deeper depth of my Lego engine for you. It's based off Lego Hit and Miss, not in particular. I made sure about this a while ago. I've been working on it. Went from square cut magneto. I actually tried making a Lucas Maggie for it. Just got a little petrol tank here, turn the petrol lid, just to fill it up like a realistic one. Got a little head with valves there, not much of a carburetor, but yeah. Based off an open crank Hit and Miss engine. It's got a little thing there. The way it works is batteries and the Bluetooth receivers in there. You turn it around, and in the back here you've got this little Lego setup of a Lego train. I'll show how to start it. So unlike, it was based off a Lego Hit and Miss engine. Not Lego Hit and Miss engine, it was based off a real Hit and Miss engine, open crank. Many manufacturers used them, well common. So what you do is you get your little Bluetooth controller, turn it on. In here you turn that one on till it starts blinking, and once it turns blue, you press that one and away it goes. Then to stop it, hold button down, and then you can go another way. No, I can't. Now I thought I'd go into a deeper depth of it. Lego open crank Hit and Miss engine, made out of random bricks. No, it wasn't a set. I built it out no instructions or anything. I built it myself. Used a lot of the bricks I had, and surrounding bricks. When we turn it off, press the red button, press that button here. It'll take a sec. Then when it starts flashing, it will stop flashing after a minute. Turn around and put it in this little control thing there for it. Lego Hit and Miss engine. If your battery's flat, because this tends to burn batteries like nothing, you can always turn it by hand. Still doing work on it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See ya.